Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Shane.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here today.
Today's topic is corporate office setting. We will learn simple English words and phrases you can use at work.
Yes, if you work in an office or want to work in an office, this episode is for you.
Before we start, please like and subscribe. It really helps us.
Okay, let's begin. Listen first. Just listen.
Here is our first sentence. I work in an office.
Simple and useful. Repeat after us. I work in an office.
Good job. Again, I work in an office.
Example. I work in an office in the city.
Or, I work in a small office.
Now you say it. Where do you work?
Great. You're improving already.
Next phrase. I have a meeting.
Meetings are very common in a corporate office.
Repeat. I have a meeting.
Again, I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
Example dialogue. Hi, Shane. Can you talk?
Sorry, I have a meeting.
Very natural, very useful.
Listen again. I have a meeting. I have a meeting at 3 p.m.
Nice work.
Next phrase. Please send me an email.
This is very important in an office.
Repeat slowly. Please send me an email.
Again, please send me an email.
Example. Please send me an email with the report.
Or, please send me an email today.
Short dialogue. Can you share the information?
Yes, I will send you an email.
Great. That sounds professional.
Next phrase. I'm working on it.
This means you are doing the task now.
Repeat. I'm working on it.
Again, I'm working on it.
Example. Is the report ready?
I'm working on it.
Very common in offices.
It shows responsibility. Good job learning this one. Next phrase. Let's schedule a call.
Repeat. Let's schedule a call.
Again, let's schedule a call.
Example. We need to talk about the project.
Okay, let's schedule a call.
Simple, clear, professional.
Let's review. Just listen. I work in an office. I have a meeting. Please send me an email. I'm working on it. Let's schedule a call.
Now repeat with us.
Excellent. You sound more confident already.
Today we learned useful phrases for a corporate office setting.
Yes, now you can say, I have a meeting. I'm working on it. Please send me an email.
That's real office English. Simple and powerful.
Keep practicing. Say the phrases again later today.
Try using one phrase tomorrow, maybe at work.
Before we go, here's our question for you. What time do you start work?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to know.
Thank you for listening. You're doing great. Keep going.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.